Hi, welcome to this channel. This is also being a very great rainy day because today I made a jackpot profit in one particular script named Sriram Transport House Sriram Transport Finance Corporation Limited. Sriram Transport Finance. So how I got a jackpot in this particular script because I have been watching this script for a quite long time. I mentioned in some of my earlier videos, please look at Sriram Transport Finance as well as the Indiabull Housing Finance and few more finance companies like Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Finserv. So I keenly watching this particular script. This particular company is going to face a setback because of the lockdown. Most of the customers who got finance assistance from this company may not be able to pay the EMI in right time. At least most of the peoples will be in EMI moratorium. Even after the lockdown is relaxed, people will not able to pay their EMI in time because most of the IT companies will be in the process of downsizing their operations. Like the concept work from home made a great success. The IT companies are saying that the efficiency of workforce is not reduced because of work from home. So we are recommending to have work from home in future also. So this particular concept will hammer this kind of transportation finance companies because there won't be no transportation is required for large IT companies. So the companies like Sriram Transport Finance will be in a setback soon. So I am watching this company and I have an intuition, I have a idea, I have a thought that this particular script will make a magic wonder ahead of the F&O expiry, which will be in 2 more days. So I picked up the particular call option, say 720 call option, Sriram Transport Finance 720 call option at the rate of 3 rupees. This particular script has opened at the rate of 3.25. When the price come down to 2.50, I picked up at the rate of 3 rupees. So patiently I waited for few minutes. So like half an hour to 40 minutes time, this particular call option has raised to a level of 16 rupees. Imagine friends, the buying price is 3 rupees, the lot size is very minimum, the market lot is 667 only. Market lot is 667. The buy price is just 3 rupees. This 3 rupees has raised to 16 rupees. I recommended this particular call option to my subscribers of Bull Street Casino Online Trading Tips magazine. In the Bull Street Casino Online Trading Tips magazine, we used to give double money trading tips, triple money trading tips, and some jackpot scripts like this. In a particular month, we used to give 5 to 10 jackpot trading tips and 10 to 20 double money trading tips. So most of the subscribers who uses our trading tips are extremely happy in this lockdown period. So this is what I am coming to convey this point and to share our success story. Sriram Transport Finance 720 call made a super jackpot today. We are going to celebrate this. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to this particular channel to watch the forthcoming videos, and please click the bell icon to get immediate updates. If at all you want to make massive jackpot profits consistently in every month in stock option, please you can subscribe to this Bull Street Casino Online Trading Tips magazine. The website is given in the description box. You can go to the website and you can find the respective offers. Subscribe to the Bull Street Casino Online Trading Tips magazine if you want to have massive jackpot every month. Thank you very much.